bells, thanks for tuning in. It is your girl Melissa Danielle. We are back with a wig review. It feels like forever since I've done one of these, so I'm excited to be here, especially with LuvMe Hair. And when it comes to the pre-styled, the pre-plucked, the pre-bleached, we all know that LuvMe Hair has some of the best wigs on the market. So I'm going to be unboxing that here for you guys. So the wig did come with wig caps, elastic band, a melting band, edge brush, and then a bag to store your wig in. And this is what the wig looks like right out the box. You guys can see it is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It has a pre-formed part in there, but this is a 5x5 closure, so you can part anywhere on the closure. So if you want to switch it up to a middle part, or if you want your part on the other side, you can definitely switch it up. Right now it is on the right side of the wig. On the inside of the cap, you guys can see it has combs, adjustable straps. There's combs on the side and at the nape, and it does come with this elastic band if you want to attach it to your wig. Otherwise, you don't have to. I actually did not attach it at all, and the wig was very secure on my head. So this is how the wig is straight out the pack on my head. You guys can see the lace is a little bit visible, so I'm going to put some powder on there to get it to melt in. I did end up putting powder on the parting space. I just did not record that clip, but that's later on in the video. But I did go ahead and put some powder on the actual part. And I'm going to go ahead and trim the little wavy piece in the front. This lace is already pre-cut. I just want mine a little bit more less wavy so that it blends in a little bit better, but that's totally optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Also, if you're going to be like gluing this down and melting it in, it's going to hide a lot better. I'm just putting this wig on. I'm not going to glue it down. What I want to do is actually comb this out, because I want to see how big it will get, because sometimes I like wearing my hair big and fluffy. It just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. But a lot of times I will wear my wig just combed out big and fluffy, normally with a middle part though. But I just want to see how big it'll get. You can definitely use a comb, or you can use like a paddle brush to get it even bigger. The hair is very, very soft. I'm not gonna lie, when I first took out the pack and put it on my head, I'm like, oh no. But always customize or play around with your wigs. Never just settle for how they look directly out the pack. So this is how it looks pretty much combed out. That's just with a wide tooth comb, and it got this big. I was shocked and in love. What I'm gonna do right now is just do a little bit of baby hair. Nothing major, just a little bit. I'm just using some gel. I know how you guys are. Some people don't like baby hair, but I know a lot of us do. So I'm gonna be 85 years old still rocking baby hair, I promise you. But I'm just gonna do just a little bit in the front here. I think it just makes it look a little bit more natural when it comes to blending the wig in. And I'm just gonna pull out a little bit of my edges. Just a tiny bit, a little taste. And this is how it looks. I think it's so pretty like this. It's just fun and fluffy and carefree. Totally optional, but if you like your hair like this, you know, this is for you, girl, so that you can see it. You guys can see in the back, it is nice and full as well. They made this a well-rounded wig. Now, since this is like a wet and wavy wig, I guess water wave hair, I'm going to wet the hair so you guys can see what it looks like. And you guys can see too, like this, because this is a glueless wig, you guys can see I am wetting the hair, I'm tugging on it, I'm brushing it, I'm combing it, and the wig is not moving. And like I said, this is not glued down, no elastic band or anything. The hair reverts very quickly when you put water on it. I thought that was really nice, and the curl pattern is so pretty. This is jet black hair. You can also get this in like a brown highlighted color, and then like the length options are from 12 inches to 20 inches. Right now I'm just using my detangling brush to brush through the hair. It's going to help define the curls more as well. Now right here you can choose to either use like a leave-in conditioner or like a curl mousse, or you can use gel for like that wet and wavy look. So we're going to be doing gel because I want my hair to look like it's wet even though it's dry. I want it to look like it's wet. So like while it's still wet and still like the curls are still trying to like form, I'm going to put some gel in there. If you don't like that look, or if you don't want your hair way down, like I said, you can use like a curl defining cream or a leave-in conditioner, and it will define your curls. Like doing the same technique I'm doing right here, instead of using gel, you would use that other product, but it will define your curls, but like not make it hard or crunchy. But like I want that wet and wavy look, because I think this wig will look so pretty like that. So that's what we're going to do here. And the same thing we did to that side, we're going to do to the other side as well. So while the hair is still wet, we're just putting that gel in. I'm going to comb it through with the wide tooth comb and then get my detangling brush and really comb through the hair because it's going to help define those curls. And then after you brush through it, just make sure to scrunch the hair up with your hands to get the curls defined. So this is how the hair came out. It's so beautiful, you guys. Like, I can't get over how pretty it looks. And you see how wet and wavy it looks even though it's not wet? Like, I can't. It's so freaking pretty. It just looks so rich and luxurious and like moisturized and just healthy. And I love this wig. I love this wig. I will, of course, link it down below in the description bar for you guys with all the details. Any questions, let me know. And I will see you girls in the next video. All right. Bye, bells. Mwah.